Groucho, you want to say hello? Yes. And that's just the beginning with Groucho. Believe it or not, Groucho is an accomplished singer. Yes, Groucho knows a few different songs. Maybe if we're lucky, we'll hear some today. I know you're ready. What do you think? Yeah, it is good stuff, your kisses. We were hoping for maybe the song though. What do you think? You want to sing a song? So silly. And like I said, that's just the beginning with Groucho. She knows like 8 different songs, believe it or not. Okay, we've heard Yankee Doodle. Oh, you know what? Let's try and put that kiss where it's really supposed to go. Everybody's been so patient with us. How about we give them that kiss for real? Yeah, good stuff, that kiss. We got a little ahead of ourselves earlier. That's okay. Okay, let's see what Groucho wants to sing next. What do you think? We already heard that one. Alright! And that was Groucho, the yellow-named Amazon Parrot. Great job, my friend. That was so cool. The mimicry is pretty awesome, right? Yeah, it's unbelievable, especially at the ability level of Groucho. I've never met a talking parrot that came anywhere near what Groucho could do. Amazing little bird. And yeah, as awesome as you are, Groucho, we'll see you later, buddy. You're such a good bird. And let's give it up for Kayla, the human, one more time. Yeah, Lucy is back.